Hey there, welcome to this quick and helpful guide. If you use TikTok regularly, you may notice that downloaded content takes up space on your phone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to clear your downloads in TikTok on an Android device to help free up storage space fast. First, open the TikTok app on your Android phone. Next, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Then, select Settings and Privacy from the list of options. After that, scroll down until you find the Free Up Space option and tap on it. Now, look for the Download section. Finally, tap on Clear to remove the downloaded data and free up space on your device. Then click Clear again to confirm the action. And that's it! You've now successfully cleared your TikTok downloads and saved space on your Android phone. Don't forget to check this setting regularly to keep your device running smoothly.